Thinking about moving to downtown Edmonton? Here's why so many people love living in the heart of Edmonton. There's the restaurants, the LRT, there's grocery stores, Rogers Place, Ice District, and your car is not even required. You can walk everywhere. Literally, convenience at your fingertips. Robbie Stremski with RJ Homes and eXp Realty here, and let me tell you a little bit about downtown Edmonton and the lifestyle it has to offer. So, lifestyle, of course, we've got a lot of entertainment down there. Everybody knows about the Oilers, and the Rogers Place gives you so many events. I mean, it is a world-class facility. We have some of the best concerts in Canada. Actually choose to be in Rogers Place in Edmonton over a lot of other cities. We've got tons of festivals, and Edmonton is known for it to be a festival city, not just in the summertime, but also in the winter. We are actually having, right now, as we speak, it's December, their workers are down there creating a huge ice climbing wall down in downtown in the district, so it's fantastic. Moving on, we've got the River Valley access right off of downtown. You may have heard about the vernacular just right beside the Hotel McDonald. It's an absolutely fabulous way to get up and down to the River Valley. We've got fitness facilities, we've got rooftop patios, we've got the lower maintenance lifestyle of the condos. You don't have to worry about shoveling, you don't have to worry about scraping your car. Your car, if you do need one, it has heated and around parking in most of the condos down there. Of course, let's not forget, if you're living downtown, you're probably working downtown, or maybe you're a student. So some of the major employers, like the government of Alberta, we all know Edmonton is the capital of Alberta. A lot of the corporate offices are downtown. Of course, we've got Grant MacEwan University, literally across the street from the Ice District. And if you are a student and you're going to U of A, the LRT can take you right across the river. At just a hop, skip, and a jump, and you're there in about 5 minutes. Surprising affordability. A lot of the condos in the greater Edmonton area are way lower priced than anywhere else in the country for that matter. And if you compare it to other major downtowns, even our neighbors to the south, Calgary's condos are way more expensive than the Edmonton condos are. So if you're exploring the downtown living, book a tour with us and I'll show you the best buildings that match your lifestyle.